Alright, YouTube. So it is currently 2:55 in the morning, and it's about the end of the month now. And yeah, I'm probably gonna be posting this video the same day I'm recording it, which is the 28th. I don't know, but lately, bro, I don't know if it's just me or like you ever just feel like you're very like you're doing good in life, but you still feel like lost. And I mean, whenever I start feeling like that, I just start praying harder and harder and harder. And as you can see, I have the Bible right here. And if you ever like just feel lost, you just need to pray even harder than if you already are, or if you believe in God, just start praying harder and just stay focused even harder, because that's the devil just trying to tell you, like, get you off track, because it's like you're doing something good, which I'm doing something right, and I'm putting in the work, and I'm making a lot of progress, like especially financially. Like, I've never seen this a much amount of money at one time as I'm doing right now. And like I'm getting, I'm like growing, and I'm getting more blessings each and every single day, but I just still feel lost. And nobody should ever like feel lost, because I mean, like, you just need to just show gratitude and feel blessed for what you have. Like, I still live in a penthouse, still have my dream car, I still make a pretty good amount of money per month, but I just still feel like I have doubts in this life. You cannot, and just as an entrepreneur, you cannot have doubts. So like, it's good to just pray. And let me share only one verse that I just read and learned. Like, I'm gonna share it with y'all, so just stay tuned. All right, so it is Psalms 22:17, and it is verse 5, and it says, "You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, and my cup runs over." So basically, what that means is, like, as long as you keep praying and have faith in God, God will anoint your head with oil and overfill your cup with blessings. So you will forever be blessed as long as you pray. And He will prepare a table for you to eat and prosper in this life. So like, if you are ever feeling lost like me, just pray, read the Bible, and study, and just keep praying and putting in the work. Because right now it is 2:58 and I'm still working, and I just like had to talk to myself. Like, I just, like, as you can see, I'm still putting in work right now. I'm still an ad account, still running ads, and like, I'm making a lot of money for my age, but it just, it just still just does not feel like, it doesn't feel real, because one, I don't come from making this type of money, and two, it just like, it hasn't hit yet. And I need to be grateful, which I am, but it just still does not feel real. And like, whenever I start feeling like this, or like I'm just up late, just my head is just spinning, I like to do things like I'm finna go on a walk in a second and just get my thoughts together. Because y'all already know how, if you already watch my YouTube, you already know how I get with my walks. But I'm finna get a little bit more ad work and like just client work done, and just make sure everything is smooth, which I check every day, but I'm just about to check right now. So just bear with me, and make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Alright, y'all. So this is one thing that I do hate. If you are running ads for your brand or store, please make sure you are paying your ads off. Like, you are using a card that does not decline, because if they do, then the ads will just sink and do bad. That's what you don't want. Like, something like this, I don't want to show too much, but something like this is a sign you don't want to see. That is something you don't want to see, because it just messes up the ad. And it's like, bro, I just cannot explain how much aggravating it is seeing this happen. So, but yeah, y'all, I don't understand. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go on this walk. So just stay tuned. I'm finna read a little bit more of this Bible, and then I'm gonna get and head on this walk. Alright, y'all, and it is crazy that this type video is not what I'm making right now. It's crazy what I've just read was like, it was talking about just having faith and knowing that God has you. So if you are watching this and you are lost, I wouldn't say like I'm lost, but at the same time I am. But if you are lost as well, read the Bible and read Psalms 28 to be exact. You will learn a lot about just having faith and how much God has you. But I'm about to go on this walk, so just stay tuned. Alright, so I haven't showed the crib in a minute, but this is, look at how it looks at night, bro. This shit is crazy view at night. And then look how this looks at nighttime. Like, bro, it is a vibe in here at nighttime. Like, I really love this crib. Like, bro, this shit is so tough at nighttime. Like, look at the city at nighttime. Like, that is insane to have at 20 years old. And then we're gonna go for the pre-walk fit. So we go Balenci boots. We go over here. Peep my lag camera. But yeah, just the walk fit. But let's see y'all on this walk. Alright, y'all, we have just started the walk. I just started to think the only reason why I'm feeling like this is because I'm just like probably looking online and scrolling on social media and just seeing other people, maybe even younger than you, just having all of this like materialistic stuff and just thinking like, what are you doing wrong? And it's not what you're doing wrong, it's just not your time yet. And to me, I get like that because I know I should have that type of stuff, but it's literally just not my time yet. And I don't know when that time will be, but I'm ready for it and I'm putting in the work. And as long as you are putting in the work, your time will come. And I'm just thinking about next month as well, just like preparing myself for like a better next month. Even though this month I've had my biggest month yet, but next month will be an even bigger month. So I'm just hoping that everything goes right and I can put in the work to get and hit all of my goals for next month as well. So if you have any, you need to be setting and writing down new goals every single month, like on a whiteboard or in a notebook. Make sure you are doing that, because if you aren't, you're working towards nothing. But yeah, y'all, I don't want to pretty much talk your head off too much, but peep the view though. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just give y'all a little rundown behind my life right now. Like, my life's good, my life's great, very, very, very highly blessed and favored. But like sometimes I get lost. I just be feeling lost, like I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing, even though I just hit my biggest month yet, but still don't feel like I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. But I mean, that just comes with it, and just like comparison and comparing myself to other people. And realistically, most of the people that's showing off lifestyle stuff, they're either one, scamming, or two, they're living check to check. And that's something that I am blessed to not have to do. But alright, YouTube, that'll be a wrap and an end to this vlog. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.